Okay, enough about luxury and technology. Let's talk about something a bit more visceral. Let's talk about speed. Because for all their refined interiors and cutting-edge gadgets, Audis are, at their heart, drivers' cars. And nowhere is this more evident than in their performance-oriented S and RS models. These are the cars that'll make the hairs on the back of your neck stand on end, the ones that'll have you grinning like a fool with every push of the accelerator. Take the Audi RS6 Avant for example. It's a station wagon, yes, but don't let that fool you. This thing is an absolute monster. Under the hood lies a twin-turbocharged V8 engine that churns out more horsepower than a herd of stampeding elephants. It'll rocket you from 0 to 60 miles per hour faster than you can say, Vorsprung durch Technik, leaving a trail of bewildered onlookers in its wake. But it's not just about straight-line speed. The RS6, like all S and RS models, handles like it's on rails. The Quattro all-wheel drive system digs into the asphalt, providing an almost supernatural level of grip, allowing you to attack corners with confidence.